Amazon is going to pay me $1,200 for 4 hours of work that I put in today. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly the strategy that I used to actually be able to do this. So what I do is I sell products on Amazon that I find on random websites such as Nike.com, DickSportingGood.com, Walmart.com, right? And it's as easy as that. And I want to show you, if you don't know, it's called online arbitrage, right? And so what I want to show you is the simple strategy that I use, the simple tools, not really the strategy, because we're not going to dive too deep into strategy, but we are going to dive into the tools that I used to be able to actually spend $4,000 in inventory today. So if you want to learn the exact strategies, you can go to this link, okay? This is like really simple strategies that I actually share with people that are in my mentorship, right? So you can go to this link and apply. We are going to get some new people in really, really soon, right? It's closed right now. We're looking to onboard new people for the next group. But contrary to what people believe, like you do not need crazy softwares, crazy, like all this stuff, right? I use really, really simple strategies and 2 simple tools to actually do this, all right? So the first tool that I used is a tool that I call the target list, all right? So it's right here. It's a list that my VAs build every single day, and I insist on that. They build this every single day with a list of sales to actually look for, to look where you can actually find products right on sale. So one thing that you need to understand is if you do this business model, if you do online arbitrage, you are going to look for 2 types of products. The first type of product that you are going to look for are products that are on sale, right? Products that are discounted. You want to find products that are selling for way below what they usually sell, and then flip them on Amazon, right? You are not going to look for products that you can buy full price outside of Amazon and sell for markup actually on Amazon. And this is the reason why, you know, a lot of people think that this business model is not doable, because they said, like, why would people actually buy products for way more money on Amazon than they would on other websites? The truth is that most of the time, this is not the case. I mean, the markup's usually just a couple of dollars, if not like cheaper than what it usually sells on other platforms, on other websites. The truth is that you just need to make the products like actually, you know, way cheaper. You need to buy the products for way cheaper than what it's going to sell for on Amazon, okay? The second type of product that you want to look for are products that are in really, really high demand, and that is hard to come by, right? Because if a product is kind of rare, right, it's hard to come by, then if you can actually grab the stock, you can flip it for more money on other platforms, okay? If you're not doing any of these 2 things, you're not going to make it with this business model, right? So this is why this is really important, and this is the first tool that I use. You can get it, by the way. If you go to oalist.com, which is right here, let me show you the website. And here we go. I lost my cursor. I'm sorry, I lost my mouse. But yeah, so you can get it for $1 for 3 days. You can try it on oalist.com, which is right there, okay? So the first tool that I used is the target list. The second tool that I used is actually Keepa, and I'm not using, so all I've been doing is going through these websites manually, literally, not using any tool. Okay, not using tactical arbitrage, not doing like some stuff on stalking. The only tool that I actually use was this, okay? It was actually Keepa, because all I did is going on websites like, actually, I spent a lot of money on calls. I spent over $2,000 on calls just today, right? And so what I did is actually going through these sales manually, right? Just going through these sales, using some simple strategies from this place, okay? From right here, okay? That you can actually find out if you get on my mentorship. Really, really simple strategies. I just keep it simple just to make my life easier when actually going through these sales, right? So literally just going through this, looking at products, and I was able to spend $2,000 just by doing this. No crazy sourcing strategy, no crazy stuff, like just going through them manually, but going through them efficiently with some simple strategies that I share over there, right? And it's literally it. It's this and Keepa, okay? Because what I did as well is, let's say that, you know, there's a brand, I don't know, let me take a random brand from this sale, Madden Girl. What I would do is, if there's a lot of this product on sale, I would actually, like from this brand, I'm sorry, on this sale, what I would do is I would just go on the Keepa Products Finder, and which is right there. And I have a whole tutorial on how to use this tool, right? I would go right there. I would go to brand and I would, let me go here. I would go to brand and I would enter the brand here and actually look for these products. And that's literally it. That's why I was able to spend more than $4,000 in inventory today. And I did it just on 3 websites. Okay, just 3 websites. So sourcing is actually really, really easy. It's way easier than you believe. Okay, you just need to dig deep on the websites that have good sales. That's literally it. And you are not digging deep enough, or you are digging too deep on stuff that you should not be looking at. Okay, and or you're going to be able to develop these skills to be able to actually understand where you should actually focus at, what should focus on, what should look at, which brand to look for. It's just experience and doing this a lot, right? Or you can cut the time that's going to take you to learn all this by joining my mentorship. Okay, if you don't want to pay, yes, because it's a paid program. If you don't want to pay, you can learn by yourself. It's not an issue. Okay, but these are the 2 tools. Literally, no complicated method. Okay, no this and that. Like literally, if you want to launch this business, just get Keepa and get a free. Like you, to be honest, 100% honest, you do not need like a tool like Seller Amp or whatever. Just get a free product, like price profit analysis thing. Get Keepa and go through websites. Literally by doing this. If you want to make it faster, if it's too hard for you, once again, as easy as that. All right, I'll see you tomorrow or any other day for a new video. Thank you for